Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver for the Gigabyte devices. This is search button, you can see, click on it, then enter the model number of motherboard Z690 UDEX and then hit enter. Then click on product. After that you can see find out the model number Z690 UDEX, then click on it, then click on support, then select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So all the operating system installation process same. 10 audio driver. So first one by one download, after that I show you how to install. So audio driver, Realtek audio driver, and click to download. So this is download icon, you just click on it. After you click, it will start downloading. So then chipset, download this one, Intel serial driver, and Intel INF installations. Click to download, and then LAN driver, Intel real LAN driver, and click to download, and then VGA driver. Just click to download Intel real driver, and Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver. So both one by one download. Okay, it is completed. Then now it is working. So it is downloading. It will download completed. Then I show you how to install. Just click on icon. Okay. So this is your driver. Okay. So one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.